Good morning guys! Tara samahan nyo kami at sabay-sabay nating lakbayin ang mundo. This time, travel naman tayo to the cool and relaxing city of Tagaytay. Pero bago ang lahat, sa first stop muna tayo, syempre walang kamatayang Jollibee. This is the perfect spot to fuel up bago ang mahabang biyahe. Kasi sabi nga, life tastes better when shared with laughter, good food, and great company. Just after the lamon session, kalsada vibes muna. Enjoying the scenic drive, fresh air, at mga tanawing nakaka-relax habang nasa biyahe. Sometimes, the journey is just as breathtaking as the destination. At kung stress na kayo guys, take this as your sign. Magpahinga, maglakbay, at hayaang gumaan ang pakiramdam. Pack your bags, hit the road, and let's turn stress into stories. And here we go guys, touchdown at the iconic People's Park in the sky. Isa itong breathtaking spot na hindi pwedeng palampasin kapag nasa Tagaytay ka. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang tawanan, daldalan at endless picture and video taking. Kasi minsan lang tayo gumala, kaya dapat sulitin na natin. Of course, we have to document every corner of this scenic place, not just for the memories, but to remind ourselves na life is meant to be celebrated. Grabe, after all stressful days and months, finally, we had the chance to slow down. Minsan, nakakalimutan natin na tao lang din tayo, napapagod, nadadapa, pero kailangan ding magpahinga. Huwag nating hayaang lamunin tayo ng stress at negativity. Kasi kahit gaano pa tayo ka-strong, if we don't take care of our mental health, mahirap din magpatuloy. That's why moment like this are important. Yung makawala kahit sandali lang, yung tumawa, huminga ng malalim at maramdaman na buhay ka. And always remember, rest is not a waste of time. It's a part of our journey. Sometimes, the most productive thing you can do is to pause, breathe, and allow yourself to heal. Dahil sa huli, a peaceful mind and a happy heart will always be the best souvenirs we can bring home from any. Ngayon naman, saksihan nyo ang signature walk ng aking Bebe Kes. I hope you're still watching and enjoying this trip with us. Ayan, tuloy pa rin ang walang katapusang picture taking at video recording kasi ito na yung tinatawag na sinusulit. Sabi nga nila, kung walang picture at video, parang hindi ka na rin nag-travel. Kaya kahit paulit-ulit ang post, go lang. Bago kami bumaba, nagsindi muna kami ng candle, parang Thanksgiving moment bago mag-goodbye sa lugar. Here's more of his signature walk kapag nasa Tagaytay siya, guys. Nawawalan na siya ng hiya dyan. Touchdown to our next stop, which is the Sky Ranch, Tagaytay.
My first vlog as a content creator.
Hi guys, this is my first
Vlog.
vlog as a small content creator sa Facebook by Ma'am Tintin. By the way po, kasama ko nga pala ang aking afam.
From na Negro.
Mag-hi ka naman sa akin.
Hi.
Oh, nagtangganti Tagalog ni guys.
Sumunod. Hello guys. Yan, mahamog. Zero disability.
Gaga, disability, visibility.
Visibility. Hi.
Ito nga pala guys, yung video na kinuha namin nung wala na kaming nakikitang dumadaang tao kasi nga shy type ang aking Bebe Kes. On to the next stop na dati sinisend ko lang kay Bebe Kes ang video and picture pero ngayon mapupuntahan na finally. Welcome to San Antonio de Padua Church. So ito guys yung view ng church. So kung makikita nyo, napakaganda. And this is really a peaceful place to pray and reflect with the breathtaking Taal Lake na talaga namang tanaw na tanaw dito sa church. So yan po yung loob niya guys. Ito yung mga places na dating nakikita ko lang sa video. Pero ngayon guys, napuntahan na finally. Thanks to my Bebe Kes na laging on the go every time na nagsasend ako ng mga places na ganito. And here's our final stop. Welcome to Perlas ng Silang. Sobrang init guys, but we still managed to capture memories with a quick photoshoot taken by their in-house photographer. Kaso nga lang, iisa lang ang nakuha namin. Pero still worth it. Thank you Perlas ng Silang for the wonderful memories.
And that wraps our Tagaytay trip. Lagi nating tandaan, the Lord will watch over your coming and going, both now and forever. Psalm 121 verse 8.
I hope you did enjoy. Until the next gala, thank you for watching.